Hi everybody, new video today. So what we're going to do today, I don't like cutting out these edges here in these beds, and these things are a mess. See that, the ground's still pretty wet. All around here, I know the live edge looks good, but it just doesn't last very long, and I've got to cut it out every year. I don't want to do that. So what I did, I went to Home Depot and I got some edge stones. They look kind of like molars, but I'm okay with that. But they go down really quick, super easy to put in. So I may recruit my 11-year-old son to help out, but this is all going to have edging on this with those stones. So they look a lot like these right here. I did around the trampoline. They're super easy to trim around and easy to put down and look pretty neat. So I'm going to recruit my 11-year-old to help me. So we're going to load up the Gorilla Cart, bring them all in the back, and start putting these bad boys down. See you in a minute. Hey guys, if you can see me, here's what we've done so far. Like I say, these things go down super quick. This is all done in the last 12 minutes since we started filming it. So, got a nice edge here for the mower to come around there. And when you toss in the mulch, you just toss it in there. You don't have to worry about raking it back in, because I don't like getting mulch in the yard. So that's kind of my main goal of this. Keep the mulch in the bed. So we got this left to go. I bought 53 of these things. They were $3.39 a piece at Home Depot. They had 500 of them. Didn't need that many. So we will keep the filming going. Thank you. Alright you guys, so I pulled this out of the beds here. So these are great to use to fix dog pee spots. So this one right down here by my foot, I'm going to cut this out and I'm going to stick this in its place. So it's a great thing. This one fits better actually, so I'll use it. This is right here. Some of these may grow back, but I don't feel like waiting for them to grow back, so I'm cutting this out. I'll throw this in my other part here. There we go. Make sure it fits good first. Make sure you got enough dirt in the bottom of it. Grass is wet, so it's pretty moldable, so that's good. And that spot is fixed. So this spot here, this chunk here is going to go in my grass bed over here. Come this way, Zach. This piece may come back later, so I'm going to stick it over here in my grass spot here, and once it turns green again, I will put it back out and replace another spot with it. So we are recycling dead grass spots. All right, cut it off. Okay everybody, we are all set here, so we got this knocked out probably 45 minutes max. Didn't take that long, so let's give you an after shot here. So I had 3 of these down here already, so we'll walk around here and check them out here. Nice smooth edges, no trimming to do, or easy trimming to do actually with the edger. That is a Sadie spot there where she runs around the corner, barks on both sides of the fence. I'll fix that. with some seats. That's a bad spot there, but coming around here, back around to here. So that is it, folks. Super easy to do. Toss your mulch in. Don't worry about the mulch getting into grass. Super easy to trim. And if you guys don't have a gorilla cart yet, you need to get one. These things are awesome. And I'll clean the rest of this junk up out here later. But all set to go. And we are finished. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.